This was very early days YouTube where it was a big deal to have 100,000 followers and maybe make $100,000 a year. And I, through a series of events, fell into managing a YouTuber. And the whole idea was that we were producing a web series. I cast them on this web series. The web series got picked up for TV, and I had a deal to be the youngest executive producer from, a TV show, web series in history, whatever. Didn't realize, obviously, that it took a lot of time to get a show on television. So in the meantime, I was in college working at Starbucks to pay for college because I'm from Canada, and in Canada, you can actually pay for college with a Starbucks income. So I was working at Starbucks to pay for school and trying to hustle my way through and either get this web series sold or figure out what I wanted to do. And it ended up becoming that I needed to manage this YouTuber who was on the web series to basically protect what they had built because it's helping us sell this show. And I would be in the bathroom of the Starbucks when I was, being meant to be cleaning toilets. I would be on my BlackBerry just coming up with different, she'll do this tweet for 5K, she'll do this YouTube video for 3K, and just kind of making it up as I went. And at the time, I was able to do that because there was no competition. No other companies were in the space doing this. It was one client. It started to go well, became 2 clients, became 5 clients, became 30 clients, hired an assistant, hired a team, got an office. And then all of a sudden I had built a business, obviously knowing that that was kind of where it was going, but it wasn't because I had any kind of training or any kind of connection to anything. It just all started to happen. And then I dropped out of school and just have been running Select since then. So it's been my only jobs have been Select, Starbucks, and before that, McDonald's.